Hello, Keith DeSandro with 42 Degrees here to talk to you about the Seahorse Pro from Lookah. This is an electronic nectar collector. This is both similar yet unique from its competitors. It's a very fantastic budget option to step up your concentrate game. Let's see just what makes the Seahorse special. Here's the device. This is the gray model. It comes in a wide array of colors. Note the ceramic tip. This is Lookah's second generation of tips, with their first being quartz. Though there is debate over which is better, Lookah tries to offer both. This is the mouthpiece. It detaches all the way for cleaning, as it also acts as the vapor chamber. Here's how you can unscrew the tip. Note how it is a 510 thread fitting. And also the size of the hole, that is exactly as large as your vapor path is going to be. So you know that it's thin vapor instead of solid material. It has micro USB charging, and overall it's an easy, handy device. But that's not all. Inside the packaging, we find, among a few other items, perhaps the most notable is this tube. Simply take the wide end, put it over the mouthpiece, and this end attaches to your water pipe. The tube is compatible with 14 and 18 millimeter fittings. Simply insert into where the bowl would normally go, get the device ready, prep one's concentrates, press the button 5 times to start heating, and you are ready to go. Watch the glass in your device and your water pipe fill with clouds. Those who have purchased this have been rather impressed with the quality and quantity of vapor they get from the device. Additionally, the tube can be used for Lookah Unicorn. The wide end goes onto the eRigs mouthpiece adapter, and I highly recommend that product as well. This will upgrade another device for yourself. It's kind of like a Pokemon, gotta collect them all. It also comes with an easy-to-use instruction user manual. The paper is very nice, high quality. It's easy to read, with full, comprehensive information present. Complete with warranty card, a nice charging cable in case you didn't have another one laying around your house, a cleaning brush, and the always important freshness guaranteer. All in one. So, come on down to Omaha's #1 trusted source, 42 Degrees, by your mom's house, and pick up the Lookah Seahorse Pro.